Okay, class, we are beginning Unit 10, and it is power and energy production in the world. Power and energy production in the world. In this lesson 1, we need to define power, we define energy, and look at classifications of energy resources. So what is power? What is power? Power refers to the rate of doing work. It is the rate of doing work. Another student may say, power is the rate of transferring heat. What is energy? Energy is defined as the amount of work that can be performed by force. Amount of work that can be performed by force. Then classifications of energy resources. The following are the major categories under which we can classify energy resources. Number 1, we have non-renewable resources. Non-renewable. In short, non-renewable resources are resources which are exhaustible. You can exhaust them, and once exhausted, you cannot reuse them, you cannot replace them. They don't come back. The best example is mineral resources. If you mine copper and exhaust it, it cannot come back. Then we have renewable resources. These are inexhaustible resources. They are opposite to non-renewable. Renewable resources are inexhaustible resources. They include water, wind, solar, plants, and animals. You cannot finish them. Once you overuse them and exhaust them, with time they come back, they grow again. Another classification can be made between conventional energy resources and non-conventional energy resources. What are conventional energy resources? These are resources which have been in use by mankind for quite some time and which are more or less direct forms of energy. They are more or less direct forms of energy. For example, firewood. Firewood has been in use by mankind for quite some time, and it is more or less direct form of energy. Then we have non-conventional energy resources. These are resources which require to perform some processes before getting energy. You perform some process before getting direct energy, like biogas. Biogas is got from animal wastes and human wastes. but you cannot directly get it from the wastes. There is a process you first undergo. But for firewood, under conventional energy resources, firewood, you get energy direct. Then we have non-renewable energy. We began with non-renewable resources. Now we have non-renewable energy. It is energy that is exhausted, which means it is extracted from non-renewable resources. Non-renewable energy is extracted from non-renewable resources. It is energy that is exhaustible. For example, nuclear energy, fossil fuels, coal, oil and natural gas. Let us first look at nuclear energy as an example of non-renewable energy. Nuclear energy is energy obtained from uranium. There is a mineral called uranium, and it is from uranium that nuclear energy is extracted. It is used to make atomic weapons. Nuclear energy is used to make atomic weapons and to generate electricity. The release of energy by this process is known as fission. Countries like USA, Canada, UK, France, Japan, Germany are the largest producers of electricity by nuclear fission. Thank you.